Meet Zara, Kwame, and Aisha. 3 traders, 1 goal, and $10,000 each. But their paths? They couldn't be more different. Zara is a scalper. She's glued to the 1-minute chart, taking 30 trades a day. Tiny wins, tiny losses, and a whole lot of stress. 3 months in, Zara is exhausted, checking her phone at dinner, red and green numbers flickering in her sleep. By month 6, Zara's account is at $10,900. The commissions ate her lunch and her time. Kwame is a day trader. He watches the 1-hour charts, takes a few clean trades, and closes his laptop by evening. Calm and consistent. By month 6, Kwame is up to $13,200. Solid progress, reasonable effort. Then there's Aisha, a swing trader. She checks her charts once a day, takes 2 trades a week, and spends the rest of her time living her life. Month 6 for Aisha, $12,400. Not the highest balance, but her time cost? Almost zero. Fast forward to month 12. The year is up and the numbers are in. Zara ends at $11,600. Kwame wins on raw balance at $16,800. And Aisha, a close second at $15,100. But look at the time bars. Zara traded thousands of hours. Aisha, barely 40. The best time frame isn't the one with the most trades. It's the one that fits your life. Match your time frame to your lifestyle, not your impatience.